This video is sponsored by the brand Wellmax.
So you have the folding shopping cart. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this thing assembled and then a quick demo of me using it so you know exactly what to expect when your product arrives. But let's start with the assembly. Could not be simpler. It comes fully assembled for you. All you have to do is put on 2 wheels and you don't have to have any tools for this. You just go to the bottom of the cart, get them lined up how they should, and then they're just going to snap into place. Easy as that. Very, very simple. I'll bring it up to the camera so you can see just how easy this is going to be. From the bottom here, you can see that's going to be where you put the wheel on. Gotta set it down here for 1 second. We'll get it on there. All right, boom. They're snapped into place. This is good to go. So now all you have to do is turn it around, unfold it. Just like that, we have a shopping cart. Okay, and here's what it's going to look like. Right now I have the cover over it just so you can see how that looks, but this is really easy to take on and off. So the cover itself, just Velcro here, so if you don't want it, maybe you're done using it, easily just take the Velcro off. There you go. Now this is wide open, so you put your groceries in there, whatever you need to carry. Bottom here is going to be where you can snap it off, so if you do want to pull the bag off the cart itself, just going to snap these handles here to grab, pull it off, and you're good to go. I love the handles on top too. Real nice grip, both sides. The wheels are smooth turning. They're also pretty big too, so if you're pulling this down the street or bringing it somewhere where it's not going to be, like a hardwood floor like I have it on, it's going to be fine. No worries. These wheels are nice and big. You're going to be able to take on whatever you need. But overall, like I said, super easy to assemble. Does its job perfectly. I give it 2 thumbs up.